Yes, next topic, page layout, their page setup and printing options in MS Excel. See here, this is the page setup, printing option. I am explained in this video. See here, I am taking two different types of tables. Okay, two different types of tables. In these tables, how to print it in Excel sheet, how to print it. This is I am explaining this video. Normally you take in the word how to print it. Printing means one not five pages I am printing. The last paper its ends will displayed on here. Okay, but Excel sheet not displayed on that one. Once you decrease on the size where it is I am printing and increase on size, which size I am given to the I am printing, this is I am explained. See here, this before, first in this one, last one, here triangle down is there, first that one is selected. Okay, first that one is selected. After went to the printing page layout, once page layout after, see here, this lines is came. Okay, lines is came, grid lines. In this grid lines, before you adjust the your table, see here, this is completely Excel sheet, only in this page only printing. Okay, now how to in that one page layout, there remove the grid lines. Okay, after it completed this one printing to ready this page, know how to expanded the lines. See here, first you selected, first I am increasing on that, first you selected this one, this corner triangle, after decrease on this table. Okay, after adjust on that, see here, adjustable in the only in this space, it not comes to in this side, slowly and that one. Now fit to the width, how to fitting on that height. Okay, height is so much is there. Now roast side you move the mouse, slowly expanding the table, very slowly expanding the table. Okay, very over. Very neatly move to the mouse and expand the table. Okay, see here is fitting on the table. Now printing is very easy, so go to print. See here, now printing to ready, this is the legal. Okay, modified any legal or legal and orientation types are displayed here, legal and protection. Okay, you are looking on that. Okay, next your requirement. Next, this is small table. Okay, now I am taken to the big table. Okay, I am taken to the big table also. This is how to adjustable and how to that same way. First you select on corner. Okay, after see this is the page, this is the width side. Okay, landscape is selected on that page layout, their orientation, landscape selected. After move the table, adjustable table. Now looking like equally looking the all cells. Okay, now rows side same, very long. Slowly, very slowly. Okay, one is up. Very slowly moved. Says now fit the width type of long table. Okay, now this one ready to the print. See here. Okay, before printing how to look, once you check all of you, I'm taking in this one. Now this is the normal, I'm not adjustable any then. First you looking like this one. See, this the remaining page is not using this table. Okay, same way this one, how to look the print before any adjustment. See here, someone only displayed, only 3 cells only displayed, remaining way. So this is very useful to the Excel sheet printing. I'm explaining only how to Excel sheet printing, how to adjust to the margins and Excel sheet. Okay, thank you. Yes, this is the page layout adjustment of the margins and A4 size, B4 size. And next another one is there. Once you click to the print, so many doubts is there. This is the print to ready this one. How to print it, that is also explained on the I am. See here, this is the any printer section. This is changing this name. This my system is person system, that's why same name I'm continue. Otherwise is changing this one. Okay, fax, anyone, note, Windows. Okay, next this one means sheets. How many sheets? Entire worksheet or print section only, and print active sheet only. Okay, this is the print active sheet. This is the modified on that one. Okay, next one, this is one side or both sides, and both sides short text, both side long heads or both side short says. This is also required to take the any one option. Okay, click the any option. Next one, collected. How many collected you, that one papers. Okay, next one, this is the legal word. This you selected the landscape. Otherwise legal wise is the protective orientation. Width wise heavy is there, you'll clicking the landscape. Okay, next one, margins. Given to the any margin, select one here, normal or wide and narrow. Okay, this is the print. Now ready to the print. After click this one. Okay, this picture is there, click one. This before how many copies you need on clicking on here. Okay, what is this? Some more doubt on this one. Pages to pages, this means first page is not taken to the print. Otherwise you can you need the printing only 5 pages, 5th page to 10 page you typing on this type. Okay, this is that this is one typing on here. After click this print. Next one, how many copies you need, clicking on here. This arrows is this one, clicking on this, clicking on here. Okay, yes, now completed how to print to the legal type of Excel sheet and landscape of Excel sheet. Thank you. Anyone saw the first my channel, click subscribe and like and share. Thank you.